What's up guys, welcome to another video. Again, this channel is about tech and style and life hacks and all that good stuff. And I'm going to bring you today, if you're a dude, this is like something you should be doing, right? Especially if you're getting up there in age, kind of like I am. You got to start treating your skin right. Even, you know, if you're just using a bar of soap, not going to cut it. So, as you age, and depending on what your lifestyle is like, maybe you work outside in the harsh elements, even if you're just like, a room with a bunch of fluorescent and blue light, then these products will help you and your skin age gracefully, look the best. You're not going to, you probably will reduce blemishes and stuff like that. And that's what you're really looking for, right? So these products from Caldera Labs, I've actually done a video for their Good, which is like their anti-aging oil. All natural ingredients, and they've actually come out with a couple new items, which is called the base layer and the clean slate. I'll have links below. So obviously, let's take a look at the base layer, which is basically just the fortifying moisturizer. And basically what this is going to do is it's Greentek self-care. See, there's tech in the word, right? Greentek. So this is like a high-performance men's skincare by combining pharmaceutical-grade science, nature's purest and most potent ingredients, and sustainable business practices. So this base layer here is something that you would want to apply to your skin that's going to moisturize it and actually give it like, some protection against the elements, the blue lights. Basically, I think the way they word it on their website is it's going to take the day away, right? All the different stresses and stuff that your face and your skin encounters throughout the day. Now, this you would apply to a dry, clean face, okay? So how do we get to the dry, clean face? Well, that's where the clean slate here, the balancing cleanser, kind of comes into effect. So what you're going to do here is twice a day, and you're going to use this and massage a small amount onto a wet face and neck to create a mild foam, rinsed thoroughly for external use only. This is a gentle, clarifying, and balancing botanical cleanser made with biome-friendly probiotics, hydrating amino acids, and mineral-rich glacial ocean silt extracts. Okay, so you're going to use all natural goods from the earth to keep your face looking good. And this is a balancing cleanser. So it rebalances boy, look at all this stuff. All this different stuff. Detoxifying, Greentek, skincare, Sacred Lotus, all these good items from this. And yes, I use this not twice a day. All right, I use this at night. That's kind of my night routine, is to apply these items before I go to bed. And then finish it with the Good, which I put on before I go to bed. And this was really their signature product. This was like their claim to fame that they come out with. So this is their anti-aging serum, and it says it's multifunctional serum. So it comes in this really nice looking packaging. It's 11 ounces. And again, it basically is Greentek. Now they spell tech here, T-E-C-H. So, and the others is T-E-K. Interesting. So this is the skincare. And it's really just a dropper. And you can see it's in a nice glass bottle. It's got a wood handle and a built-in dropper. So basically, you'll just push this in. You'll open it up. And you'll get a little dropper full of the oil. And you'll just apply it to the areas of your face that are more prone to aging. Around your eyes. It gets rid of crow's feet. Gets rid of aging spots. Just tries to make your skin look natural. You're going to want to apply this to around your eyes, your cheeks, your neck. Areas like that tend to get wrinkles and just age the fastest, right? As you start getting older, you want to keep that youthful look, right? You want to still be able to go out and get those 20 and 30 ladies when you're in your 50s and 60s, right, guys? Maybe even 70s and 80s, right? Is 70 the new 50? I don't know. Maybe with this it is. So anyway, I wouldn't bring this to you if I didn't use it. I've been using the Good for over a year. I have actually reduced some aging spots and wrinkles around my eyes. Okay, I don't have a before and after photo because I'm just not that kind of guy. I don't do selfies really and do anything like that. But I can tell you, kind of being like gone from seeing people and working in the office for like a year, using this, now, may have been the mask, but I come in and people are like, oh, I didn't recognize you. Hey, I'd like to say that's because I'm looking a lot younger these days, right? Not just the mask. So anyway, this stuff is clinically proven. They've done studies that prove that it does work. It does have an anti-aging effect. It does take care of age spots. It does remove wrinkles. And it makes your skin healthier and younger looking. And that's what you want to strive for, guys. So put this up there on the daily routine. I know, guys, it's tough to get into that routine like the ladies where they're wearing face masks and all sorts of like skin cleansing and things like that. But really, if you work it into your routine, it just becomes a daily routine. And like I said, I do this at night before I go to bed. I will use all 3 products. And, you know, my wife says I smell like Pledge or lemons when I come to bed with the good. To me, I really don't get too much of a scent, but, you know, at least if she's going to say I stink, I smell like lemons, fine. I'm good with that. You know, I'd rather smell like a lemon than her tell me I smell like ass when I come to bed. Okay? So it does have some scent, but it's worth it. Trust me. Check the links in the show notes. I'll have links. There are affiliate links in there, so you will be helping the channel, and you will be going and supporting Caldera Labs on their products. And they did just come out with a face mask, guys. Just saying, if you want to go that extra distance, I don't have it, haven't tried it, but they do have a face mask purification of your face product now on the market for dudes. So you're more than willing to check it out while you go there with my links and check out these goods. Again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching. More tech, more style, more life hacks, all coming up. So stay tuned, subscribe, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.